In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do mass emailing in Monday.com. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease, providing you with tips that can enhance your understanding of using Monday.com's features for sending emails to multiple contacts effortlessly. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login screen where you'll find different options to sign in. For this tutorial, we'll use the Google account integration. So click on the Google icon and then select your account from the list. This not only saves time, but also ensures a seamless and secure login process. Next, you need to navigate to your leads board. To do this, look to the left panel of your dashboard and click on the appropriate board under your team's workspace. This board is where you manage your leads and is central to performing the mass email task. Once you're on the leads board, it's time to select the leads you want to email. Simply click and drag to highlight all the entries you wish to send an email to. This step is crucial as it determines who receives your message, so take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct leads. After selecting your leads, scroll to the bottom of the page and you will find the mass email option. Click on it, and Monday.com will open up a new window to facilitate sending the email. Ensure your Gmail account is connected to the platform, as this will be necessary to proceed. If it's your first time, you might need to authorize Monday.com to access your Gmail account. Now you can start composing your email. You can write your message manually if you have a specific subject in mind, or you can opt to use AI tools integrated into Monday.com to assist in crafting your message. This feature can help generate content ideas or even draft a professional email on your behalf. To incorporate personal touches or important points from your leads, click on Columns within the email editor. Choose the columns that contain the key information you wish to include, such as names or company details. This personalization is essential for maintaining a professional touch and can improve your email's engagement. Before hitting send, it's important to ensure that the email tracking option is checked. This feature allows you to monitor who opens your emails, providing valuable insights into your campaign's effectiveness. Finally, once everything is in place, review your content for any errors or adjustments, and when you're ready, click on Send. Your email will now be delivered to all the selected leads, thanks to Monday.com's efficient system that makes mass emailing easy and effective. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can harness the capabilities of Monday.com to efficiently manage your email outreach, saving you time and improving your communication efforts.